Tuesday afternoon, and before we got out here, Ollie and me, we had some work to do at home. There was one load of the filled earth that was brought, and while we were here, before I got the camera out, 4 more came. So now the machine is moving all the filled dirt into the foundation, actually running it right through where the garage is going to be and where the bedroom and everything else is, to fill up the rest of the house. So it's moving along well. Looks like that by the end of the week we should have everything filled up, the foundation filled up, and we'll work on putting in the roughed-in plumbing and electric. Then we pour the floor for the slab. So in essence, the foundation is pretty much done. It's just a matter of now preparing the foundation for the slab. Filling in the portico. Finally got some beautiful weather. After over 2 weeks, nice, warm, and sunny. Right there in front of me is where the garage is going to be. I think I'm standing in what will be a bedroom, or we're going to use it as an office. Coming this way, this area is a hallway to the kitchen. That's going to be a bathroom. This would be a walk-in pantry. This will be, where I'm standing right now, will be the laundry area, with the kitchen being right there. Kind of weird to see it all filled in now. We're working on getting it all filled in. It doesn't look like fun right there. Down the street. Seems like just yesterday all this was chalk marks on the ground. But here we are. I think they brought out another one. Because the guys, the equipment company, were here just a while ago before I was flying the drone. And I think they took the other one away and brought this one out. So maybe the other one, something happened to it. Now that is some serious, good, solid fill. Look at that. Just gorgeous. All the rocks. It's like building on top of rocks. Well, it's 4:43, it's quitting time. You guys are getting ready to go. And I gotta say, between yesterday and today, look how much got done. I mean, all this has been filled. Well, it hasn't all been filled, it's getting close. I suspect that by tomorrow, most of the fill will have been done. And we'll see what comes next. Another flat tire to repair. Breaking the bead. Let's be serious. He's going to put a new tube in it. I gotta go, so I'm not gonna be able to see repair.